Today I am reviewing the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming PC for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're searching for a future-proof gaming desktop that brings elite power, stunning visuals, and rock-solid reliability, then the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC might just be the perfect fit for you. Built for gamers who demand nothing but the best, this desktop packs the newest generation of hardware, blending raw speed with striking design and efficiency. Let's start under the hood. At the heart of the Skytech Rampage is the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, a powerhouse built on AMD's cutting-edge Zen 5 architecture. With a base clock of 3.8 GHz and turbo boost up to a blistering 5.5 GHz, this CPU delivers top-tier multitasking and ultra-smooth performance, whether you're playing AAA titles, streaming in 4K, or editing high-res videos. The 9700X has 8 cores and 16 threads make this desktop a productivity beast as much as a gaming one. But a powerful CPU is only part of the story. The Skytech Rampage also features the brand new NVIDIA RTX 5070 with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR5 memory. This card is a game-changer, literally. Built with NVIDIA's latest Ada Lovelace architecture, the RTX 5070 brings ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and AI-enhanced graphics to the next level. Whether you're diving into high-octane shooters like Call of Duty or experiencing massive open-world RPGs like Elden Ring and Dragon's Dogma 2, you'll enjoy buttery smooth frame rates at ultra settings in 1440p and even 4K resolutions. Storage and memory are no slouch either. You get a 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which is up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive. That means instant boot-ups, lightning-fast game loads, and near-instant file transfers. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MHz, this system handles multitasking like a dream. You can have dozens of Chrome tabs open, a live stream running, Discord on one screen, and your favorite game on the other. No slowdown, no stutter, just pure efficiency. Cooling is often overlooked in gaming desktops, but not here. Skytech includes a 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB fans that doesn't just look great, it performs. This high-end thermal solution ensures your CPU stays cool under pressure, even during marathon gaming sessions. No more thermal throttling, no fan whine, just silent, consistent performance. Aesthetically, the Rampage is a beauty. The black mesh front chassis allows for maximum airflow, and the ARGB lighting throughout gives your setup that unmistakable gamer vibe. Plus, it comes pre-assembled with zero bloatware, so you get a clean Windows 11 home installation, optimized for gaming and streamlined for speed. Connectivity is also well covered, with multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 ports, HDMI and DisplayPort output, Wi-Fi built-in, and HD audio. It's ready for all your peripherals and streaming needs right out of the box. You'll also appreciate the included RGB gaming keyboard and mouse, perfect for anyone building a new setup from scratch. And let's not forget support. The Skytech Rampage is assembled in the USA, stress-tested before shipment, and comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with lifetime technical support. That means peace of mind whether you're new to PC gaming or a seasoned vet. So, who is this PC for? If you're a hardcore gamer who wants flawless performance across the latest titles like Baldur's Gate 3, Counter-Strike 2, or Black Myth, Wukong, this machine has you covered. If you're a content creator needing power for editing, rendering, and streaming, it's a creative workhorse. And if you just want a future-ready desktop that looks amazing and lasts for years, it's an investment worth every penny. In conclusion, the Skytech Rampage Gaming PC desktop is a serious performer. It combines the latest AMD Ryzen and NVIDIA GPU technologies, lightning-fast DDR5 RAM, massive SSD storage, pro-grade liquid cooling, and killer design, all in one ready-to-go package. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or diving into high-end PC gaming for the first time, this desktop is one of the best value powerhouse rigs you can buy in 2025.